So this is the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G. So this is supposed to succeed yung Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus last year. Alam naman natin yung predecessor wasn't really that successful last year. So tingnan naman natin this year kung this one has improved, kung mas worth it pa siya bilhin for this year. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So, hi guys, ako si Richmond, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So, this is the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G, and it's currently being priced at 21,999. And ang storage na makukuha nyo is 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. And this one comes in 3 colors, either go for the polar white, sky blue, or midnight black. Tara, unbox muna natin. So, eto na guys, ang pinaka-premium among the Redmi Note 12 series, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G. So, ito yung nakasulat dito sa gilid. And ang hawak natin is the polar white color na 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Buksan natin. SIM injector tool, some documentation, jelly case, ito yung phone itself, and meron siya mga quick specs dito. Uy, ganda ng ganang white. Very classy. Ito ganang triple camera setup na double barrel camera design na may ring. Sa ilalim ka ng loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course ka ng SIM tray. And sundutin lang natin quickly. So, kaya na dito mag-host ng dalawang 5G SIM, walang expansion. On this side, ka ng fingerprint scanner / power button, and of course, ka ng volume rocker. Sa ibaba, nandiyan ka ng audio jack, second loudspeaker, noise cancelling mic, of course, IR blaster, and pretty clean dito sa kabila. And punch hole ang kanang front-facing camera. White tin naman ang kanang bezels. Other stuff inside, a massive 120 watts na fast charging brick ni Xiaomi. And of course, your Type-C cable. So guys, nakita nila yung full unboxing nitong phone na ito, and ang kanang camera module looks very nice. Medyo protruded lang siya ng konti, but hindi naman siya sobrang ubok. And what's nice dito sa kanya is may color contrast siya between yung kanang katawan and yung kanang camera bump. This one is color silver and may silver ring din siya surrounding yung dalawang camera module niya. And ang katawan is a glossy white. So expect fingerprint smudges around your phone. And ang likod niya is made out of glass. Ang sides niya is made out of plastic. And ang harap niya is Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So itong phone na ito has a powerful na processor this time around. It's being packed together with a MediaTek Dimensity 1080. It's a 6nm chip na perfect para sa mga mid-range smartphones. Now, if you're checking Antutu benchmark, this one has a 432,000 points. And kung binake-down mo naman siya, ito ang score naman makukuha mo. Now, if you check ka ng 3D Mark na graphics test dito sa Wildlife, well, okay naman ka na score, 2,271. Ito naman score na dito sa Geekbench. So, what's nice naman dito sa kanya is nirevamp din ni Xiaomi para dito sa MIUI 14 niya na meron siyang step counter dito and media files dito sa loob ng kanyang home screen. As well as meron siyang bago na app vault which is coming very handy. Now, nilagay ko naman itong phone na ito under thermal throttling test and inulit ko to for 5 times straight. And ito ang score naman na nakuha ko on average. Okay naman siya all green. And ang kanyang nag-throttle naman siya up to 88% of its max performance. Now, if you're checking yung screen niya, medyo symmetrical siya. Yung sides niya is almost symmetrical, hindi rin makapalagan ng baba. So definitely this one is very good. And ang kanyang punch hole is not that big, so hindi rin siya sagabal. So itong phone na ito has a 6.67-inch na OLED display. Kaya na mag-display up to 1 billion colors and 120Hz of screen refresh rate. This one has a maximum brightness of 900 nits lang, which I was thinking na, bakit kaya siya mas mababa kaysa Redmi Note 12 na meron 1,200 nits? Well, honestly, di ko rin siya ma-explain. So, si Xiaomi na makakasabi nun. At kung ginamit ko naman siya under direct sunlight, well, okay naman siya. May nababasa pa naman ako kahit papaano. So, itong phone na ito is running Android 12 inside Xiaomi MIUI 14. Well, using this for 2 weeks, I can say okay naman siya. Very responsive naman siya. Ang swipe niya left to right is very smooth. Dahil sa kanya 120Hz of screen refresh rate, wala naman naging problema. Hindi naman nagkahang itong phone na ito. As far as I'm concerned, wala pa naman na-feel na bug dito sa phone na ito. Now, watching videos dito, expected naman na okay naman kayo na display. Dahil sa kanang OLED display, so watching videos dito, like Korean novela and anime is very punchy. But if you're watching naman mga dark scenes like Duty After School, okay rin siya dahil black is blacker. So, very rich ang video na mapapanood mo dito. What's nice dito sa kanya is kanya loudspeaker. Okay na okay ang kanyang tunog. Malakas siya. Hindi siya yung nabibitin ang sounds if you're 4 or 5 tao kayo nanonood sa bahay dito sa phone na ito. Sagarin mo sa kanya ang kanyang loudspeaker. Okay na okay. Using it on Spotify, on YouTube, on Netflix. Okay, solve na solve siya. And an extra bonus din dito sa kanya. Normally, phones at this price point, wala ng audio jack. But si Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, andyan pa rin ka ng audio jack. So, it's a bonus. Now, if you're a fan ng social media, Okay na okay siya dito when you're watching on TikTok dahil very smooth ang kanyang transition. Swiping up and down, very smooth siya. Now, if you're playing games like Call of Duty Mobile, Mobile Legends, PUBG, kayang-kaya na i-handle dito dahil si Dimensity 1080, very powerful enough naman siya to handle these games. But if you're playing mga games like Genshin Impact and Tower of Fantasy, medyo mabibitin ka kasi talagang mafe-feel mo ang frame drops along the way pag sinagad mo ang kanang settings. Now, itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery. It can support up to 120 watts of fast charging. Now, I did charge itong phone na ito from 10 to 100. Inabot lang ako ng roughly mga 25 minutes to completely full charging cycle, which is definitely quite fast. Checking naman ka ng battery endurance, this one can give me a 14 hours and 20 minutes na screen on time, which is pretty nice. And this one is being calibrated under 50% brightness and 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. Napag-usapan naman natin ang kanang camera dito sa phone na ito. This one sporting a 200MP na main camera sensor and it has OIS. Then of course, meron siya 8MP na ultra-wide lens and 2MP na macro lens, shooting up to 4K and 30 FPS. Now, kanyang front-facing camera is a 16MP na punch-hole camera and shooting up to 1080p and 60 FPS. Now, I can guarantee ditong phone na ito, when you bring it outdoors, ang daming good shots na makukuha mo dito sa phone na ito. Mapahalaman man or building, it's really nice. Ang bilis ng focusing na ito. And this one is a ultra-wide shot, this is a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. Taking some building shot is very nice. And mapapansin mo yung sky, hindi siya saturated. So, quite natural naman ko ng colors dito sa phone na ito. Now, taking some outdoor shots sa mga building, I can say, okay medyo madilim dito. Medyo nahihirapan si Redmi Note 12 dito, but this one, kaya na i-light up, add ang ganang, this one, kaya naman na i-handle ang low light situation and making it look good like this one. Taking some sunset shot like this, well, medyo glare nga lang ang napapansin ko. Bringing this phone indoors, it was able to take in some really nice shot din. Mapa-apparels man or mga damit or pati mga pangkulo ng coffee, ang ganda. This one is probably one of the best shot na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. Ang ganda na kanyang background blur dito. It's very perfect. This picture, well, I can say probably one of the better ones na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. Taking some night shots, kaya-kaya rin naman niya i-handle. Ang kanyang front-facing camera, well, at times na papansin ko kung medyo dark din ang result na nakukuha ko. So, pansin ko medyo hirap siya sa low light situation. Outdoors na maliwanag, kaya-kaya naman na i-handle. Maganda naman mga selfie shots na nakukuha ko. Now, tingnan naman natin some shots ng video na nakuha ko using the front-facing camera. So guys, this is the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and right now taking a video using the front-facing camera at 1080p and 60 FPS. This is the resolution you'll be getting. And I can say it's quite punchy, it's quite good, and to be used for TikTok and other video. I think it's good. And by the way, the video is not that shaky, and which is a plus point for me. And of course, the audio is recorded using the default microphone. Now, kanyang front-facing camera, even though it's just shooting at 1080p and 60 FPS, okay naman siya, very stable, and very clear naman ang video na nakuha ko dito. Now, tingnan naman natin shots using the rear camera. Pansin ko, dito sa video na ito, okay naman siya sa mga paligid niya. But if you're taking a look doon sa background niya, mapapansin mo yung mga building sa likod, parang namumuti na siya. But overall, ang kanyang video recording dito is okay. As long as yung within the vicinity, okay naman ang mga nakukuha niya. And quite stable din siya at the same time. So guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus? So honestly, medyo gumanda naman kanyang performance as opposed doon sa Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G last year na medyo nadismaya maraming mga fans. But this time around, medyo nag-bump up siya dito, nag-improve siya in terms of design, in terms of performance. Okay, lalo ka ng camera was, well, honestly, gumanda siya. And ang kanang front-facing camera as opposed to last year, mas maganda ka ng performance this year pagdating sa video recording. And another improvement is lumaki rin ang kanyang battery capacity dito sa phone na ito. So guys, if you're interested to know kung saan na pwede mabili itong Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G, I'll be linking on the description box below. Just check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na rin bell icon para di naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.